Welcome to my YouTube channel Automations with Milad, and in today's video I will teach you how to set it up variables, loops, conditional logic, as well as how to create CSV file and then upload the CSV file in the Azure PowerShell. And at the end of the video I will teach you how to delete all of the resources step by step in the Azure PowerShell. So let's get started. So first of all, I will check whether or not our account is properly connected to it. So for that, we write AC context, and then it will provide our account details that are connected to the relevant partial. And now it has shown us the credentials and subscription ID as well as the account email and the environment. By following that one, I will hit enter, and then it will show all the resource groups that are present in it. We have only three resource groups present in this account. So currently we are working with the demo RG from the beginning of the course. So now proceed with the demo RG. Let's start with the variables. We will learn how to store simple values or basic values in your variables other than we have to write it again and again. First, we have to write the name of resource group because we all know we are using demo RG from the beginning of the course, so we will proceed with that. And then I will write the location where we are located. We all know my location is Central India. You have to write your location that will best suits you. Now I will write the output of it. We are working in resource group located in location. So now I will hit enter and it will show me the complete resource group name as well as the location of it. So I just now press enter, and you guys say we are working in demo RG location in Central India. This is how we can simply use variables to store values and locations and other variables. Now we have completed how we can use a simple variables to store a value. Now we need to define a target resource group, which resource group we want to work up. Before pulling any resources from the resource group, I will just need to clean a screen for you guys so you can clearly see what's happening. So we just run a command clean host and it will clean a screen for us. So now the screen is clean. Now I will run a pull command and it will pull resources from our resource group. As we all know, our resource group is empty. So it means it skipped that process. So it means it's run correctly because there is nothing to show in the resource group. So that's why the command runs successfully. Now we will write the conditional logic, conditional check in other way if there is nothing or no resource, any file or anything in a group. So it will throw us a message or it will alert us that there is nothing present, so we can move with the projects, project file, the disk, anything according. So before moving with the conditional logic, conditional loop, how we write the conditional loop, I just need to tell you guys how to test, how to check an error message. So we just need to write the command try and catch block to simply check the error. So I have write this command for you, and if I will hit enter, it will find us an error. So what we have write in this resources, resource group name, host. If it has resources, it will send us the message resources fetched successfully. And if he fetch any error, then it will tell us there will be an error. Because there is no error, so it's send us a message resources fetched successfully. So this is a simple way how we can detect any error. We have to find any error because we can manually write a logic, simple try and catch block just like we are using in normal programming languages. So now I will write you conditional logic for you guys. how we write the condition in the PowerShell, and how we use it for our own advantage. To start with the condition, how to write a condition if. I'm just writing a simple if block. If there is not any resource present, resources, then what we'll do, braces, curly braces, start, write output. Write output is no resources found in the resource group with the help of simple variables. Bracket, bracket close, and then else write out. If else there would be some resource in it, then it will show us the resources dot count resources in resource group. So now our logic is complete. It is a simple if block, if else block. If there is no resources, then we will see no resources found in the resource group. Else, if there is any resources in the resource group, then it will show us either or not we have any resources present in the group or not. I just hit the enter button, and it show me no resources found in the demo RG. Now I will write you how to export a script, a file for you in the group. Now I have write a save export logic for you guys. So first I have explained the export path, and I want to save my file desktop demo rg resources CSV. And if there is resources, then what it will do, it will do select object name, resource type, location, resource group name, export CSV path, and I already explained regarding the export path. If no information available, then what it will do, it will do write output exported resources to the export path. Else, if it will not true, then else what it will do, it will write output nothing to export. Source group is empty. So we will hit enter and we will see what happened. Because we don't have anything in our resource group, it tells us nothing to export, resource group is empty. Even though nothing exports today, this same script will capture every resource later, ideal for audits. Automations mean you can reuse this script daily without manual edits. Now we can proceed with the add filtering and loops logic, and we will see how it will work and how we can use it in our automation properly. Here's how can make how loops and condition make script smarter. We could target specific resources, for example anything with test, for example hand or cleanup. I have write this whole test resource for you, so I will hit enter and we will see what will happen. So this is how we can write a test script. We can target any loops and conditions, make script smarter. We could target specific resources, for example anything with test, for special handling or cleanup. No test resources found in the demo archive. So our current resource group is empty. So we don't have any test to any resources, so there will be no test at all. Now I will write the cleanup command, and I will explain you regarding one of the best what if, why we are using one what if, because it is most important command before write any destruction command. For example, if we want to delete or wanna delete anything, so we will always, it is always a good practice to write and what if to check whether or not our resources are deleted properly. We may accidentally delete our resources that we don't want to delete. So now write it for you. So this is how we delete a command by using the what if. So what if is one of the most important automation safety tool. It shows how exactly what PowerShell would delete without removing anything. So in the production, we will use force. For example, if we are sure about that we have to delete, we will delete or we won't delete anything. So I will hit enter. I will hit enter and it will show me what to delete, what the exact message on the screen. So no test resources to delete. What if performing the operation, removing resource group on target demo RG true. So what it's telling me, it's telling us if we run this command, it will remove the resource group in the future. If we properly, if we write the exact command, it will then remove the demo RG resource group. That is a very critical command. So it is not just deleting us, it is just alerting us regarding that I will do that. If you run the proper deletion command, then it will delete the resource group, then it will tell us about the actions that it will be performing in the future. That's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like the video, please support to my channel and subscribe to it. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and stay tuned for future updates.